Hey everyone, I'm Derek Crane with Crane Factor. We bring you programs, products, and inspiration all on healthy living, fitness training, and creating an amazing life. Today on Tutorial Tuesday, we're going to go ahead and go over advanced jump rope progressions. Now if you've seen the previous videos about doing the single unders and also about doing jump rope progressions, even into double unders, today's main focus is going to be into advanced jump rope progressions. So going right into this here, I'm going to show you what we're going to do, then I'll break it down. So the first one that we're going to go over is just single skips. So what you're thinking about there is just being on the ball of your feet and just actually just skipping in place. So even before doing it with the jump rope, what you're going to do is just be on the ball of your foot and just be nice and light. So even before you grab your jump rope, go ahead and do a set of 20 there. Now then when you grab the jump rope, just to create the comfortability, do the single unders to begin with. Now you're just gonna go onto one foot and just do it once on that one side. So you're just gonna go onto your left foot and then come back to both feet. Onto that left foot, back to both feet. Do that to the other side. So now you're going to go to your right foot, back to both feet. Go to your right foot, back to both feet. Now you're going to alternate. So you're going to go to your left foot, to your right foot. Left foot, to your right foot. Left foot, to your right foot. Just being nice and light the entire time. With that, what you want to do is do about 4 sets of 20 and then working into the next progression here. Going into the next one here is going to be high knees. We're going to go over high knees because this is the prerequisite to high knee skips. Again, I'm going to show you what that looks like, and it's just going to be high knees in place, still nice and light on the ball of the feet there. So go ahead and place the jump rope down, and just in place, making sure that you can do it even without the jump rope, is just being high knees. Try to keep your arms at your side. There's a tendency to want to go into running in place, but to build the muscle memory, keep your arms right to your side, palms facing forward, bringing those knees up. Do a set of 20 there, just in open space. Grab the jump rope, and then create that same movement pattern with the jump rope. So now you're running in place with the jump rope. Moving right into the next movement is the high knee with the skip. What that looks like is skip, high knee kick. Skip, high knee kick. Definitely more of an advanced exercise there. Again, placing the jump rope down. What we're going to do is just in place, what I want you to think of is just kicking forward, switch over to the other side. Just want to create that muscle memory with your foot, with your leg, about what you're going to be doing. Now what you'll do is you're going to do the skip and do the high knee kick with the other foot. Skip on your left foot, high knee kick. Again, you want to keep the palms to the side of you, arms more straight, because this will be how your body is with the jump rope. All right, so you got the movement pattern there, and just being able to just create that muscle memory, really dialing it in. Go ahead and do the high knee skip with the kick, and now what we're going to do is actually do wrist movement with that. So you're gonna do a high knee skip, kick, and if you can tell, what my wrists are doing, I'm envisioning and imagining that I'm jumping over that rope. What this is gonna do is train your body and your mind to move the jump rope with your wrist. Because what we don't want is this. You don't want to be here. What you want is to move the jump rope with your wrist. This will train your body to do wrist movements. Also thinking about aligning that movement with each skip. Moving into the jump rope. Doing that skip with that high knee kick. Another thing to do there is actually just skip in place. Skip in place. And then start adding in that high knee kick. And then go back and forth there. Skip in place, skip in place. Start adding in that high knee kick with it. So if you can tell, even though I'm doing more movement, the rhythm stays the same. What I mean by that is that I'm not trying to move the jump rope faster. All these movements are going to create more comfortability with the jump rope, leading into more advanced movements, like being able to do double unders. You'll get them a lot quicker. And this will be the final one for this tutorial. The next one that we're going to move into is double butt kickers. What it's going to look like, I'll show you what it'll look like and then we'll go over progression. When you jump in, what you're going to do is do double butt kicker with that skip. So again, we're working with that skip. Really emphasizing being on the ball of the feet on every single movement. Emphasizing wrists, moving the jump rope. So go ahead and put the jump rope down. What I want to see is being able to do that movement without the jump rope. Hands to the side. You're going to do a skip, double butt kicker. Skip, double butt kicker. It's going to feel a little awkward at first, but this is such a phenomenal warm-up to being able to activate the hamstrings before going into any sort of squat or even running. So again, working into 4 sets of 20, just being able to do that movement. Really get comfortable with doing that. Again, with the wrist to the side, palms facing forward, moving through that movement. Now what we want to do is create the wrist movement with it. Double butt kicker. Now we're moving the wrists. Really thinking of being in rhythm and unison with actually jumping over the jump rope. Translating that over to the jump rope, if you want to start with the butt kickers. So then you're going to start with the butt kickers and then go into double butt kickers. So that's with the skip. Skip, double butt kicker. Again, being able to work on every single one of these movements, being able to do 4 sets of 20, these more advanced exercises. If this feels too advanced, definitely check out our jump rope progressions, just kind of the beginner progressions, or even go into our single unders. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Be sure to check out our other YouTube videos, all about motivation. We got other tutorials. We got phenomenal Wednesday workouts. We talk about nutrition and we bring fitness to you guys on a very high level. Go ahead and hit that link below. They'll send you directly to our website. You can check out our programs. Be sure to hit that like, that subscribe button. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next video.